In the frozen silence of a mountain storm, every second can mean a life.
Find him, Max!
A trained rescue dog can track a heartbeat beneath snow and storm.
Above, technology joins instinct. A drone scans where even footprints fade.
Trained for moments like this, Max leads into the white void with fearless resolve.
And there, beneath ice and silence, a miracle waits to breathe again.
Teamwork between human, hound, and machine. Life finds its way back from the storm.
From sky to ground, heroes come in many forms. Support rescue dog programs and